Hi everyone, EGO here. So today I am having a problem with our van and it does not start. I believe this is just a minor issue and I am sure we can fix it in no time. Let me show you the issue. Let's start the car and listen. It sounds like a depleted battery. This happens when you forget to turn off a light or any accessory in or out of your car. Or you forget to turn off the ignition switch completely in the lock position. And so, let's go ahead and recharge the battery. First thing to do is remove the battery. I have pulled the cables out of the way to remove the battery. Next, I cleaned the battery using a paintbrush and WD-40. The built-in battery indicator shows that the battery needs to be recharged. But I'm not sure if this still works because this battery is 3 years old. I have connected the battery charger. I also connected my digital multi-tester to read the current voltage. At this point, the charging voltage is about 12.8 volts and is going up slowly. Back then, when I didn't have a battery charger, I brought the battery to the battery shop and they charged it for 3 hours. In that case, I let the battery charge for 3 hours. After 3 hours, I checked the battery's condition. The charging voltage has now reached 13.15 volts. And on the charger, the reading is now down to 6 amperes from 9 amperes and it has become steady. I then switch off the charger and remove its terminals. After that, I connected the battery back to the car. Then I tested the battery voltage again. Now it's at 12.6 volts. Now it's time to start the car. It's now working again. I also checked the charging voltage provided by the alternator. It showed 13.95 volts. When revving the car, the voltage goes up to more than 14 volts. After that, I let the engine idle for 10 minutes to further charge the battery. I then check the charging voltage again and it shows 13.84 volts. I then turned off the engine and it's all set. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.